So I was looking at my Bookstagram and I was thinking about how I kind of wish that my feed still looked like it did like 2 years ago. And I really like what my feed looks like now. Like, I do enjoy what I've done, but I used to put more effort into like my flat lays. So I figured for this video we would go through and I'd kind of set up one and see if I could make something that I like a little bit more that kind of goes with what I had been doing. So this is the current setup that I've got. I do everything on this mat that I made from a book that I had and a, what are they called? Like a poster board from the dollar store, and it's just glue and book pages. And I did set up a little bit of this, but I don't know how I want it all to look. I have a string of lights that I'm going to, if I can figure out how to, unravel, because I really liked the look of the lights when I was using them more often. So gonna flip those on and just kind of see what I can do, because I already kind of like this a lot more than what I've been creating. I will crop the photo so you don't see as much of the layers and stuff. I don't know if I like that. I kind of feel like those should have stayed under. Let's see. And I know like a bunch of TikTokers are thinking about joining Bookstagram now that TikTok might be getting banned. So that's gonna be interesting. It'll be super interesting to see if some of my favorite TikTokers do any like static photos. I don't know that I like this either, but yeah. Okay, so I sped this up, but basically once I take the picture, I just open it in Lightroom and I'll grab the settings of the previous post that I had made and I'll paste those settings onto the new one. And then if I don't like that, which I didn't with this picture, I'll go and I'll find the settings for a different one that I had liked, which is what I did here, because I think I'm gonna change my my preset and go a little bit darker because I liked how these looked a lot more. But that's really all I do for editing. I have a couple of preset bundles from Etsy and I just put them on and then I save the picture and it goes on Instagram. Typically I do it from my computer too. I do really like making content. I need to be working on doing more reels. I know that. I don't use TikTok as much. I am very much a liker, a commenter. I reshare things. I don't post as much my own TikToks. And I need to get better about that, but also TikTok might be getting banned. So yeah, I don't know. I just thought that I would take you guys through how I kind of prepare a Bookstagram post. And it's not always like that because I do have a like a cute little graphic thing on Canva, so I just do some of those. I do try to alternate them now, or do like 3 and then a row of alternating, but yeah, I'm really gonna try to get back to more long form content on YouTube, like longer than 10 minutes, and then more of the like more intricate, I guess, Bookstagram posts. I hope you liked this video because I don't know, wanted to make it. Thought it would be fun. If you enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!